Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and I recently saw something I liked on Shopee and I bought it the last 2/2 sale. It's from Kim Store. It's the 12-liter vertical oven. See, as you can see it, I have it here. If you check it now, it's already unlisted in the store. Probably they ran out of stocks. I ordered this last 2/2 and it just arrived today. So we're gonna open it up. Ta-da! Okay, let me read from Shopee. Okay, there's two colors. I think this one is gold and the mint green. Okay, comes with 1-year warranty, 12 liters capacity vertical oven, 220 volts, 800 watts power. Okay, so let's open it up so that you can see exactly what's inside. Well, both of us, all of us can see. Okay. So it looks like it's safe because there's styrofoam on top. Okay, let me see how it. Oh. Okay, so okay, here. Point. And as you can see, there it is. Okay, as you can see, there's two knobs here, reflective surface in the glass. It goes all the way down about 90 degrees. Inside is the user manual. Okay, tray. The tray is slightly smaller than, it's wider than the standard oven toaster but shorter. Okay, then okay, there's a grill upstairs. Okay, which there's also a connector so that I guess you can pull it out using the handle. Okay, and there's a catch basin in the bottom, of course, so that the bottom doesn't get dirty. And as you can see, there are two, one and two. See? Okay. Oven lamps. Is that what you call them? Oven lamp. And that's how it looks like when things are inside. Okay. So it doesn't have a rotisserie side, but you should be able to put a chicken, at least one whole chicken, already in there. In that space. Okay, so we've been able to remove the handle. Make sure that it slides here. Okay, you lock it so that you don't need to actually hold it if you need to pull it out. You don't need a mitten, and I assume this would also work here. For the bottom tray, you need to use the top one. See? Okay, we're gonna test it out now. We're gonna turn the top one on. The timer is already on. If you can hear it, it's ticking. Okay, then we're gonna turn the bottom one on. And we're gonna turn both of it on. Ta-da!